Today I am going to share simple and delicious potato crepes recipe. For large potato, peeled and washed. Shredded potato. Done. Transfer the potato. Squeeze the water out. Making sauce. Mayonnaise 3 tablespoons. Chaat masala. Pinch of black pepper. Mix well. Leave aside. Salt to taste. Black pepper to taste. Chili flakes 1 teaspoon optional. Corn flour ½ cup. Mix well. Oil 2 teaspoons. Spread the oil. Add potato mixture. Turn on the heat. Press. Spread the oil on top. Cook until golden brown and crispy. Flip. Add more oil as needed. Done. Garnish with coriander leaf. Ready to serve. Thanks for watching.